Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to run SFC Scan in Windows 10 to find and fix corrupted system files on your computer. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the X key together on your keyboard. This shortcut opens a quick access menu that gives you direct access to important system tools and settings in Windows 10. Step 2. From the menu, click on Windows Terminal, Admin. Opening the terminal in administrator mode is essential because the SFC tool needs full system permissions to scan and repair protected Windows files. Step 3. Once the terminal window opens, type SFC Scannow. This command launches the System File Checker utility, which checks all system files for corruption or damage. Step 4. Press the Enter key to start the system scan. After pressing Enter, Windows begins scanning your system files automatically, so no additional input is required. Step 5. Wait until the scan process completes. The scan may take some time depending on your system, and it is important not to close the window while the process is running. Step 6. After the scan finishes, close the terminal window. If Windows reports that corrupted files were found and repaired, the fixes have been successfully applied. Step 7. Restart your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Restarting ensures that all repaired system files are properly applied and your system runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.